The sulphur crested yellow cockatoo is one of the smartest birds in the world, with some experts saying they are comparable to chimpanzees in intelligence. They are approximately 44 to 55 centimeters long, with an overall white plumage, tinged yellow underwings and tail, and a beautiful yellow crest. Their bill is black, legs are grey, and males have black eyes, whilst the females have red to brownish eyes. These birds are very long-lived and can live up to 90 years in captivity, whilst their age span is approximately up to 40 years in the wild.